I'm gonna wrap some bits of my car in carbon fiber vinyl. Is it gonna look any good? I guess we're gonna have to find out. Now, everybody loves a little bit of carbon fiber. As you know, you see it everywhere on those high-end cars. And this car isn't necessarily high-end or anything, but I wanna add some little accents just to make it look a bit, you know what I'm saying? So if you saw the last episode, you would have seen that these little bits here are in an aluminium, a brushed kind of aluminium texture. And I'm thinking of wrapping those. They look good as they are, but I think it'll look kind of cool with a little carbon effect going along them. Kind of like how some of the new BMWs have it. And also, I kind of wanted to add a little bit of spice to it, you know? Give it my little custom look, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It looks pretty real. I mean, if you have a look at it, it's actually not bad stuff. I've wrapped so many things in this, a lot of motorbikes especially, and it gets away with it. I ain't gonna lie. Loads of people look at it and think, oh, that's quite a nice carbon fiber tub you have there. The only problem with this stuff is that it doesn't conform around corners very well. It will peel back if you put too much stress on it. But other than that, if you put it on the right surface, it can look really good, especially for smaller parts. Bigger parts, it starts looking a bit booky, I ain't gonna lie. So just stick to small parts if you're wrapping with this. Bust this. I wanna take this off. Please be the right one. Yes. Fascinating. So this is the part in question. It shouldn't be too hard to wrap, but it should come out pretty nice, hopefully, I hope. And if it doesn't, you can just take it off. I'm not that fast. Literally, ain't really nothing to it. There's the piece. Let's begin. Just like that. There she is. Not too shabby, could be better. One carbon fiber complete. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty damn happy with that. Yeah, man, I like it. I think that is hard. It looks good. So now that side's done. What the f was that? So now that side's done for the most part. I'm gonna do this long piece here. Don't actually know how to take it apart, but we're gonna guess as we go. Hey, passenger airbag on. That's good. Oi, oi. Just like that. Yeah, so obviously this one's gonna need a much longer piece, but it should go on the same. Yeah, let's give it a go. That piece is donezo. Again, came out aight. It looks pretty carbon fiber, huh? Probably not as light as carbon fiber, but does the job. I'm not gonna lie, I ain't no crazy carbon fiber type of professional rudder, but this looks good. I think with the gloss finish on it, it just makes it look that much more real, and it's got actual depth to it because it's like 6D carbon or whatever. But not bad for a bit of Chinese vinyl. Yeah, bro, I'm actually mad happy how that came out. Looks pretty sick. Bit by bit, we're just kind of like modernizing this. I don't want to rice this thing out. I do actually just want to put some like nice little modern touches on it. But we might do a couple little crazy things. Maybe, I'll think about it. Okay, so now that those are done, it's time for door cards. We need to take these things off. I'm not exactly sure how to do them. I've seen a couple tutorials online. There's a couple screws hidden around here and there. And it's all just to take off this little part here, which we're gonna wrap on both sides. So yeah, enough talking really. Let's just go get to it. Okay, theoretically, it should come off. Oi, she's loose. Oh, hello. Get out. What the fuck are those? Bro, you not noodles have come out my car, bro. Okie dokie. This should pop out, like so. Time for the second door card. Come on. Yeah, now everything just unplugged instantly, bro. Second one's out. Did I mark that? What the flip, man? Okay, time for round two. This time with a glove, because it's good. That one is done. Now it's on to the second one. And there's the second one. Boom shakalaka. Okay, just because I'm curious, I just want to put one in right now and just see how it looks initially. But oh my god, bro, that's like transformed the door, bro. Carbon fiber, brava. It looks legit. Okay, let's smack these back in now. Dunzo. Now if we close this, oi, now it's just all carbon fiber all around. Well, could have been slightly better, but also here, I just want to see how it looks closed. Yeah. Wavy. Look how it just, that's a nice little touch. I do like that a lot. But now that's got me debating something. I'm thinking steering wheel. Now I originally don't want to do this because it is actually quite a difficult shape to wrap and I have to take off quite a lot, but that would look hard and that would look sick. I know you can buy a real carbon fiber one, but it's like 300 pounds just for this little piece here. So why not just do it ourselves? And also I might just do this part. Not this is too much. We might save this for another day, or we might just not do it at all, but I might just wrap this little panel here. Just as a tester, it might not look that good, but I want to just do it to see how it'll look anyway. But yeah, we're gonna go onto the steering wheel first. So let's give it a go. Another one is off, ready to wrap. Don't guess me. Oh my God! Looks hot! And here it is, a little bit messy, but we got it done in the end. Again, hard. It just looks good. The only thing that gives it away is the finish is a bit plasticky. The actual pattern itself is close to perfect, but the finish is only a little bit orange peely. So that's the only thing that can give it away really. You can see over here. But other than that, this looks legit. Same as the steering wheel and the doors and everything. I mean, look, for £10 for all of this, when it could have costed upwards of £500 for all the real stuff, I'm pretty happy. So there we have it. Little bits of carbon fiber on a budget. I think it looked pretty sick. Again, as opposed to spending £500, spending £10 to make it look like that, I'll take it. And plus it's a very meticulous craft, kind of like cutting around everything and applying the right amount of heat. So I'm pretty proud of that as well, I ain't gonna lie. But the question is, what's next? Well, we have a sound system. It's kind of been done, kind of not been done, but I think I'll leave that to part 2 and we'll go more in depth into that. And also I'm thinking of maybe wrapping this. Not sure what color yet. I'm thinking of carbon or either satin black, either or. I know some people are against it. It kind of hides the front a little bit, but I kind of just want to black this thing out and make it a bit stealthy. But we'll see, all in due time. And also, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty tired. It's 1:27 a.m. right now, so yeah, pretty late. But if you have any suggestions for what you think I should do to this car next, do let me know in the comments. But other than that, I've been Rayski. Bless up.